Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm the iPad is activation locked and identify the Apple ID tied to it. Ask the previous owner to remove the device using iCloud. Calm or Find My iPhone. They should sign in, select Devices, pick the iPad, and choose Remove from Account. If the owner is present, they can erase it and sign out in Settings quickly. Record the device serial or IMEI for support when removal is complete or needed. Keep the proof of sale or transfer ready with date and signatures. If the previous owner is unavailable, contact Apple support for activation lock removal guidance. You must provide the iPad serial, proof of purchase, and your government photo ID. Apple verifies ownership and can remove activation lock when documentation meets their criteria. Visit an Apple store or authorized service provider with original receipt and matching ID. Expect verification to take several days depending on support backlog and documentation clarity. Avoid paid third-party unlocking services that promise bypasses for activation lock. These services often fail and can expose you to scams or stolen devices. If you legally own the iPad, keep original receipt and transfer records to prevent future locks. Before selling, sign out of iCloud, erase content, and disable Find My with your Apple ID. For family transfers, remove activation lock while both accounts are present and confirmed. Contact law enforcement if the device is suspected stolen. Do not attempt illegal unlocking methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.